if I subtract 90, are my h's together? No. So to get the h's together, I've got to subtract 2h. What the shit? You know how to interpret that. Is that a true statement?
Yes.
Is 0 bigger than or equal to 0? Yes, so what's the answer?
All real numbers.
All real numbers.
But wouldn't you divide it if they're...
Watch, that would do you no. Well, it would eventually. If you divide it by 2h or something.
Yeah.
Well, the reason you would not do this is because you don't know what h is. Let me see if you guys get this. In general, you don't want to divide by a variable, especially not in an inequality, because what do I do if I divide by a negative? The sign switches. What is h? I don't know. So I don't know what to do.
Oh, because in another equation, you're solving for that letter, but right here, you're not.
I'm still trying to solve for the letter. It's just that when I do what I always do, get the h's together, they happen to cancel. That's why it's got a specific special answer, right? In this case, all real numbers. If it would not have been equal to, what would the answer have been? If that would have been the way it was, what would the answer be? Is that true? Is 0 bigger than 0?
No.
Then the answer would have been,
No solution.
there you go, no solution, right? You interpret it the same way as you would in an equation where the variables go away.
So is there a way to like grab the like line or a line?
Oh, all right, you ready? There. Because where do you shade? Where the answers are. And what are the answers? Every damn thing. Do you want to stop somewhere? No.
And there's no.
So you shade the whole number line. And then what would this look like?
Negative, eternity, or infinity.
Oh, eternity. I like it.
Positive infinity.
To eternity. And beyond. No, it's fine. It's another way we reference infinity. Yes?
What if you get no solution? How do you? Like,
Then it would be no shading, and then the answer actually would be either like I showed you this before, right? Yeah. Or you just say no solution. I mean, that's fine. Yeah. Woo! Let's get out of this hot room. So don't forget, I'm in the office before class, so you can come over there with questions. Yay! All right, I'll see you guys later. Yeah, put the phone right there.